Hello students, I would like to inform you that old English literature book has been changed, but the chapter which we had studied in the previous video, Partho the Park Keeper, is available in your new textbook in 4th chapter. Only the exercises are different. So today, I am going to give you question answer from the new textbook. You have to write these question answer in your 4 lines text copy. Later, I will teach you chapter 1, 2 and 3. First, we will complete the exercises of this chapter. बच्चों, इंग्लिश लिटरेचर के लिए आप लोगों को 4 लाइन्स की नोट कॉपी में क्वेश्चन आंसर लिखना है और बाकी एक्सरसाइजेस बुक में ही करना है. Children, let's do the question answer. A. Answer these questions. Question number 1. Why was the park closed once a year? The answer is, the park was closed once a year for cleaning. In the next question, you have to cross the things that Partho and his team did not do. इस क्वेश्चन में आप लोगों को उस स्टेटमेंट को क्रॉस करना है जिनको पार्थो और उनके टीम ने नहीं किए. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, picked up the litter. This statement is correct because Partho and his team picked up the litter. Next statement, pulled out the weeds in the flower beds. This statement also is correct because this work was done by them. Next statement, plucked all the flowers. This statement is wrong because they did not do this work. Next statement, cut down the trees. We will cross this statement because they did not do this work. Next, cleaned the swing. This work was done by Partho and his team, so this statement is correct. Question number 3. Did Partho and his team put up a notice saying wet paint? How do you know? क्या पार्थो और उनकी टीम ने वेट पेंट नोटिस लगाया था? आप कैसे जानते हो? The answer will be no. Partho and his team did not put up a notice saying wet paint. They forgot to put up the notice and sat down on the bench, and their backs were covered in paint. We will move to the next exercise. B. Read these and answer the questions. First, people should throw rubbish only in the bins. The following questions are based on this statement. A. Do you agree with Partho? Why? Children, do you agree with Partho that people should throw rubbish only in the bins, and why? The answer is yes, I agree with Partho that people should throw rubbish only in the bins to keep the park clean. Question number B. Was Partho a good park keeper? The answer is yes, Partho was a good park keeper. C. Do you pick up litter when you play in a park? The answer is yes, I pick up litter when I play in the park. Now we will move to the next questions. 2. The children will be so happy. The following questions are based on this statement. A. Why would the children be happy? बच्चे क्यों खुश होंगे? The answer is, the children would be happy when they see the clean and beautiful park and repaired swings, slides and merry-go-round. Next, B. Did Partho like children? The answer is yes, Partho liked children. C. What games do you play when you go to the park? जब आप पार्क जाते हैं तो कौन कौन सा गेम आप खेलते हैं? The answer is, I play hide and seek, hopscotch, 7 stones, etc. when I go to the park. Children, you can write the names of games according to your choice also. So children, we have completed the question answers. Now you have to do this in your text copy and learn them. Rest of the exercises we will do in the book. Thank you.